Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to NetApp Cloud Volumes with iSCSI over VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect to NetApp Cloud Volumes with iSCSI over VPS, begin by ensuring you have the necessary permissions and access. Log into your virtual private server, VPS, using SSH. Make sure your VPS has the required tools installed for iSCSI connections. Update your package list by running the appropriate command for your Linux distribution. Install the iSCSI initiator tools if they are not already installed. On Ubuntu or Debian, use the command sudo apt-get install OpenISCSI. For CentOS or Red Hat, use sudo yum install iscsci initiator utils. Once installed, initiate the iSCSI service by starting the OpenISCSI service. You can do this with the command sudo systemctl start iscscd. Enable the service to start on boot using sudo systemctl enable iscscd. Next, configure the iSCSI initiator name. Open the initiator configuration file located at /etc/iscsci/initiatorname.iscsci. Edit the file to include your unique initiator name. Save and close the file. Now, you will need to discover the iSCSI targets. Use the iscsciatom command to perform this action. Run sudo iscsciatom m discovery tsend targets IP address of NetApp. Replace IP address of NetApp with your actual NetApp Cloud Volumes IP address. Once the targets are discovered, log into the desired iSCSI target. Use the command sudo iscsciatom m node t target name l. Replace target name with the target you wish to access. Verify that the connection is established by checking the current sessions. You can do this with the command sudo iscsciatom m session. Now, create a file system on the newly connected iSCSI volume. Use the fdisk utility to partition the new iSCSI disk. Run sudo fdisk/dev/sdx, replacing sdx with your actual disk identifier. After partitioning, format the newly created partition with a file system. For example, use sudo mkfs.ext4/dev/sdx1. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.